Let's take a bit of a closer look at Edwin. So he is a 1963 Mini 850 that's been fully restored and painted in Dove Grey. We have the addition of a 1275 stage 1 tuned 72 brake horsepower engine that presents perfectly, recently set up. Have a little listen to this. We also have a 10-inch wheel conversion with Cooper S reverse rims and sticky rubber, and Cooper S brakes underneath. We've just put a full brand new interior in it, so we've got classic bucket seats, all black carpets, including headlining and sun visors with brocade, sorry. We've got a heater, we've got a motor liter steering wheel, we've got matching rear seats. Look at this Mini. I've taken the wheel out, so I apologise for the space, but I want to show you how good the floor is. This thing is absolutely stunning. As already mentioned, fully restored, 1963, painted in Dove Grey over a white roof. Obviously the Cooper S reverse rims. We've got matching door cards. We've got a brand new interior, as already mentioned, and then we've got the stage 1 tuned 1275 engine. This thing is complete and utter perfection. This is a mega low odds competition with just 1,275 tickets. This is one for the connoisseurs. This falls into the cafe racer vibe: low, loud and fast. Absolutely stunning. Hit the link in the ad or head over to www.ukminis.co.uk to get your tickets. I wish you all the luck in the world.